Welcome to the best pick. The best LG washing machine pump is probably one of the most overlooked yet crucial components in maintaining your laundry routine, ensuring efficient drainage and preventing frustrating overflows, making a reliable replacement essential for anyone experiencing issues with their current unit and aiming for a hassle-free, long-lasting solution to keep their clothes sparkling clean without a hitch. Number 5. LG 4681EA 2001T Drain Pump Assembly. This is a genuine OEM part, specifically designed for your LG washing machine. It's manufactured to exact specifications, ensuring perfect compatibility. This assembly efficiently removes water from your washer during the drain cycle. It's crucial for the proper functioning of your appliance. Crafted with premium materials, it offers high quality and durability. You can trust it for a long-lasting and exact fit. With approximate measurements of 8 by 5 by 5 inches, it's designed for a precise fit. Always refer to your owner's manual for installation guidance. For optimal performance and peace of mind, always choose genuine LG OEM factory parts. Life's good when your appliances run smoothly with the right components. What we like. This pump is a genuine OEM part, ensuring it meets the exact specifications of your appliance. If you prioritize original manufacturer quality and a perfect fit, this is the ideal choice. It guarantees reliability and longevity for your washing machine. What people say. Number 4. Seentech 4681EA 2001T Washer Drain Pump Motor. Introducing the Seentech 4681EA 2001T Washer Drain Pump Motor. This exact fit replacement is designed for Kenmore and LG washers, ensuring your appliance runs smoothly. Before ordering, please double-check your washer's model number. If you're unsure, our team is ready to help confirm its compatibility for you. This drain pump is rated at 120V, 127V, 60 Hz, 85W, and 1.4A. It efficiently moves water at 45 liters per minute. It's a direct fit for various LG and Kenmore brand washers. This part replaces multiple numbers, ensuring broad compatibility. This repair can be completed in 30 to 60 minutes, saving you time and money on service calls. Before starting, gather a nut driver, screwdriver, locking pliers, and disconnect power and water. First, remove the drain cover and disconnect the wiring harness and hoses from the old assembly. Then, loosen the 2 screws to disassemble it. Install the new pump, tighten the screws, and reconnect the hoses, wiring, and gaskets. Enjoy a 30-day return window and contact our customer service team with any questions. What we like. This drain pump offers an exact fit for a wide range of LG and Kenmore models. If you're looking for a straightforward, cost-effective repair you can do yourself, its easy DIY installation makes it perfect. It saves you time and money on professional service calls. What people say. Number 3. AMI Parts 4681EA 2001T Washer Drain Pump for Kenmore LG. Experience superior efficiency with this upgraded drain pump. It's engineered for quick and reliable water removal, ensuring your washing machine performs optimally during every drain cycle. Designed as a direct replacement, it fits numerous LG and Kenmore washer models perfectly. This ensures a seamless upgrade for your appliance, replacing various part numbers effortlessly. Is your washer not draining, making noise, or leaking? This is your ultimate solution. Simply install it to restore your washer's functionality quickly. Crafted from high-quality materials, it undergoes rigorous testing for long-lasting performance. It's backed by a 365-day quality assurance and professional support. Installation is a breeze with just basic tools. Simply disconnect power and water, remove the old unit, and connect the new one to get your washer running again. What we like. Featuring upgraded performance and a high flow rate, this pump ensures quick and reliable water removal. If your washer is experiencing draining issues, noise, or leaks, this is designed to be your ultimate solution. Its enhanced efficiency will restore your machine's functionality. What people say. Number 2. AMI Parts 4681EA 2001T Washer Drain Pump. Is your washing machine failing to drain, making strange noises, or even leaking? These common issues can disrupt your laundry routine and leave you with wet clothes. This drain pump is designed to efficiently remove water from your washer during the drain cycle. It's a crucial component for restoring your appliance's proper function. It works with many popular brands, including LG and Kenmore washers. Please verify your specific model number to ensure perfect compatibility. This part directly replaces several original numbers like AP5328388 and 4681EA1007G. You can find detailed installation videos online for guidance. Made from strong ABS and metal, it's rigorously tested for durability. We offer a 180-day quality assurance and dedicated customer support for any concerns. Always remember to cut off power to your washing machine before beginning installation. For further assistance, feel free to reach out with your washer's model number. What we like. This replacement pump is specifically designed to address common washer problems like not draining or noisy cycles. If you're troubleshooting specific symptoms and need a reliable fix, its robust construction and wide compatibility make it an excellent choice. It aims to restore your washer's smooth operation effectively. What people say. Number 1. LG Kenmore Washer Drain Pump 4681EA 2001T. Is your washing machine struggling to drain, making strange noises, or displaying frustrating error codes? This replacement drain pump is engineered to resolve these common issues quickly and efficiently, restoring your appliance's function. This drain pump, model 4681EA 2001T, is a perfect fit for many LG WM2 and WM3 series front-load washers. It also works seamlessly with Kenmore Elite 796 series models, ensuring broad compatibility across popular brands. Equipped with a sturdy red copper motor, it delivers powerful performance at 3,600 revolutions per minute. This ensures your washer drains effectively and reliably, cycle after cycle, preventing water buildup. Installing it is straightforward, making it an ideal DIY repair. With basic tools and a few steps, you can replace your old pump and get your washer back in working order. Remember to unplug the washer and turn off the water supply first for safety. Say goodbye to frustrating error codes like OE, D0, or UE. This pump is specifically engineered to fix problems such as non-draining washers, grinding noises, and impeller failures, ensuring smooth operation. This versatile pump replaces numerous original part numbers, including DP040-038, 4681EA1007G, and AP5328388. This makes it a comprehensive and reliable solution for various washer models experiencing drainage issues. What we like. Equipped with a powerful red copper motor, this pump delivers strong performance and high RPM. If your LG or Kenmore washer is displaying OED0UE error codes or making grinding noises, this is engineered to specifically fix those issues. It provides a robust and targeted solution for common diagnostic problems. What people say. No reviews were provided in the source JSON to extract points from. No reviews were provided in the source JSON to extract points from. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.